Hey, Brian Young, ProtinkerToys.com. Now, do you want to be a pilot? Flying your own airplane? Well, this is the best way you can do it at the cheapest price. This is called the HRP Sport Club or Sport Cub. Now, the reason why this is the best RC car to start practicing airplane flying, and that is just the airplane itself and how easy it is to fly this. It comes with an extra two props, your battery, your remote control, and the airplane. It is so small, I call it featherweight, and it's just a toss. You could just toss this thing and it starts to fly. And this is what's so great about it. It has a breakaway prop, so if it crashes, your prop doesn't get destroyed. And this is called the Super Cub S2, Super Cub S2. And this is easy to fly control system. And that's what's great about getting an airplane, is because you want to get an airplane that's easy to fly, so you're not crashing it all the time and then having to spend hundreds of dollars fixing it. You don't have to with the Super Cub 2. It is cheap and it is awesome. Plus, we have the whole line of of Rage RC, the PF 109, the Corsair. How about the P51 Mustang, the greatest airplane ever made? Available all at ProtinkerToys.com. And this is the Super Cub S2. And this is probably, I would say, it would be probably the best RC airplane you would ever buy. It's so easy to fly, it's so fun to fly, and it's so inexpensive to fly. One battery lasts about 20 minutes with the Super Cub 2. Available at ProtinkerToys.com. I mean, where else would you want to go is ProtinkerToys.com. I mean, think about it. Why would you go anywhere else for Christmas toys other than ProtinkerToys.com? I really don't understand why you wouldn't go to ProtinkerToys.com. Do you want me to say that one more time? ProtinkerToys.com.